Hello and welcome back to the Satoshi Society YouTube channel. My name is AJ, one of the co-hosts here, and I just want to bring you this short video this morning just to update you on what's going on with my short position that I showed you that I opened yesterday in yesterday's live stream. So just updating you with that trade, I did take some profit off of that trade. So last night before I went to bed, I did take some profit and I did take half of the capital out of that trade. So I did have a profit of $540. Still got half of that trade in. It's sat at around just under 60% in a profit, $480 left in profit on that trade. But I am looking for a potential second entry for this short position. So I will use this realized profit that I've gained here to add to that short position that we could potentially see play out again today as well. So either today or tomorrow, I am looking to add on to this short position. But looking at the charts, let me show you quickly why I entered this short position yesterday. And why I entered this short position was because we were coming into major resistance. You can see this purple resistance box here. I know there's a lot going on with the charts, but trust me, it's all necessary. Everything on the charts is very necessary for this short position. Now, we can see this resistance level here, which has been major resistance in the past. So looking back here, we've used it as support before the breakdown. We've used it as support after the breakup as well. We also used it as resistance after the breakdown, and we did get that rejection. And all the way back here as well, we've used it as resistance here as well. So it is a very critical level. Then what I did is I drew a Fibonacci retracement from this pivot high here to this pivot low down here. And you can see that the golden pocket between the 0.618 and the 0.66 golden pocket lined up perfectly with my resistance level. That has been a major resistance level for a while now. So we can see this is these are two confluences that line up perfectly for this short position. Another reason was because we were seeing a bearish divergence as well. So we've got lower highs on the Bitcoin chart. Looking on the RSI, we were getting higher highs. And to add on to that as well, the RSI was above 70. So we were overextended. So here we can see that there is a lot of confluence for this trade. Another bit of confluence, which I didn't show you yesterday, but I forgot to show you this yesterday as well, but we have this fixed value range here, and you can see that's the value area high did actually get a perfect candle rejection from this value area high here, and then we saw the price pull back. So that is why I entered that trade yesterday. I did show you me entering that trade yesterday as well, and we did see a pretty quick reaction to this pullback because we did get the CPI data, and yeah, we did see an increase in that CPI data. So that is why, let me just show you that here. So you can see here, we were forecasting an 8.1%, but we did actually come in at 8.3. The market thought that that was bearish. So we did, in fact, see that initial pullback. So coming back to this chart here, I do think we could see another push towards the upside before that next move towards the downside. Now, it's not certain, but this is just what I anticipate. I do anticipate that we are going to see the price pull back, potentially back up to this resistance level, maybe getting a swing failure above this, and then we see that initial crash. Why I think this is because I do think a lot of people have entered a lot of early shorts here. I think there are a lot of early shorts that have been entered here. Now, the short that I entered, I don't consider that an early short. I consider that a short before the movement happens. I did enter that short. If we go back and look at the short, the entry point was 22,720. I entered that short at almost the very top of this wick here. So the top of this wick was 22,780, and I entered in at 22,720. So as you can see, I entered at the very top here. But what I think has happened from this pullback, we are getting these early shorts in down here. Now, what needs to happen when we get those early shorts is that we need to liquidate those early shorts. We need to get those early shorts out. And by doing so, I think we could see the price. Let me just get this tool out here. I do think we could see the price maybe bottom out around this area because there is major support here from this consolidation period, I do think we could see the price increase. Now, as I said, I think we could come back up to this resistance level here, back to this golden pocket, potentially even forming some sort of swing failure where we get a wick above this previous wick here, and then we get that push down. But initially, I do think we could today or tomorrow come up to this resistance level here, then get another rejection, and that would bring us down to that target that I had around $18,450 approximately. And we could even break below that if we do break below this value area low here and get the confirmed rejection from the value area low. I think we could continue going down even. We could see the price come down even further. So that is what I'm going to be looking at for today. I do and tomorrow. I do think we could see that price pull back to this resistance and this golden pocket. If we do come back to this resistance and the golden pocket, I'm going to have my limit short orders in again. So my short orders are going to be set at between 22,600 as the first one. Then I'm going to have one at $22,700 approximately. Then I'm going to have another short order at around $22,900 with a little bit of capital left over, just to see if we do get that swing failure pattern above this. Get a nice wick swing failure pattern above this resistance and golden pocket area. So that's what I am going to be looking at for today. So I do have those, well, not as of yet, but I am, after this video, I am going to put in those short limit orders again at $22,600, $22,700, and $22,900. That's exactly what I did yesterday when we came up and tested this resistance level, this golden pocket level. And as you can see, it's played out perfectly for me. It was in around $1,000 profit yesterday, but as I said, I took some profit off of this trade, still holding some 50% in that trade, and I am looking to enter into that trade again or add to that short position once we come back up to this resistance level. As I said, I do think that we need to liquidate these early shorts that have been entered after the CPI data came out and the price crashed. So I think we need to get rid of these early shorts. I think the price is going to come back up potentially to this resistance level here, this golden pocket, and then we are going to see that massive correction. And that's where we want to get into those big short positions. That's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So it's not certain. It's not certain that we are going to come up to this golden pocket, to this resistance level. But as I said, if we do, and I think that we could, then I'm going to have them short positions ready. So again, short positions are going to be entered at 22,600, 22,700, and 22,900 with a bit of capital left over, just in case we get that swing failure pattern above the resistance and pocket. That is what I am going to be looking at. Now for the invalidation, because of course we could invalidate this. Now the invalidation for me would be a candle break above this resistance and above the golden pocket, and a candle break above this swing high here, this top of the wick here, because that would invalidate that swing failure pattern as well. So that's what I would be looking at. But looking at the fundamental side of things, it doesn't look good. So I do think that we are going to come up to this resistance level and get a pretty heavy rejection. And I do think we could come all the way down, maybe even down to those lows at $17,500, which were the previous lows from back here. So that is a potential. But of course, if we want to get below $18,450, we do need to come and retest this value area low and get a rejection from that value area low. So that's what I'm going to be looking at if we do get that confirmed rejection and we do come down to that price target, which is at $18,450. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. It's either going to play out today or tomorrow. I do anticipate either today or tomorrow that we could see that price retrace up into this resistance area. As I said, it's not certain. It's just a scenario that I'm looking out for a potential for potentially adding to that short position, which will obviously, if you're not in a short position as well, if I wasn't in a short position, I would be looking to enter a short position here. But because I'm already in that short position, I am going to be looking to add on to that short position once we get back up here, if we get back up here. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. I will keep you updated with this, of course. And yeah, again, invalidation is if we get a candle break above this resistance level here, this golden pocket here. But if we do come up here, I'm going to have my short orders at 22,600, 22,700 and 22,900. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash that like button. Of course, I will keep you updated with this as well, and we are going live at normal time today as well, so stay tuned for that. And if anything new happens there, I'll keep you updated on that stream as well. So if you don't follow us on Twitter, make sure you head over to Twitter, give us a follow there. Link is in the description. I will keep you updated there. I will always keep you updated there. And if you want to trade, make sure you head over to Bybit. The link is in the description. Head over to Bybit. You can get up to, I think it's almost 5,000, just over 4,000. I'm not too sure the exact number, but you can get that on up to 4,000, around 4,000 sign up bonus after your deposit. So yeah, make use of that. Click the link in the description and you can potentially get that bonus as well. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please smash that like button, and I will keep you updated with this potential short position as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you later on in the normal live.